Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Learning Never Ends. In my previous videos I have discussed the universal law of gravitation, that is their derivation and their concept. Now in this video I will discuss the free fall and acceleration due to free fall and the derivation of acceleration due to free fall. So let's start. So free fall means whenever objects fall towards earth alone, we say that objects are in free fall. It means there is no any force rather than the gravitation force. There is only one force activated here, that is gravitational force, which is the force exerted by the earth. Gravitation means earth, right? So this is a force. So in this time there is only one force, that is gravitational force, and the object are in free fall. So object are in free fall, so their acceleration will be changes, so their values should be calculated. So there is an expression of acceleration due to gravity. So there is a derivation, acceleration due to gravity. We know that force is equal to mass into acceleration, that means F equal to ma, where a is the acceleration and m is the mass of the object. Now we can replace this acceleration to the g, because there is only one force, so acceleration is converted into the small g. Small g is also acceleration, but due to gravity, right? Now we know that there is a universal gravitation force, so whose formula is F equal to capital G mm upon d square, where there are two masses available and the distance is d and g is the gravitational constant, whose value is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Now we can, from equation first and second, force is same, so left hand side are same, so right hand side should be same, so we can eliminate it like this. So by equation first and second, mg is equal to g mm upon d square, where small g and small g can be cut together because there will be equal, so there can be cut. So now the expression will be small g is equal to g m upon d square, where m is the capital M, right? So now small g is the acceleration due to gravity, capital G is the gravitational constant, and capital M is the mass of the earth, right? Because mass of the object तो cancel out हो गया था. D is the distance between the mass of the object and the earth, that can be represented by radius of the earth, right? So radius of the earth is denoted by capital R. It's like this. Their values are represented. So small g is equal to capital G m upon r square, where small g is the acceleration due to gravity, capital G is the gravitational constant, and capital M is the mass of the earth, and radius is the radius of the earth. Now we can put their values in the equation and calculate this acceleration due to gravity, right? The value of mass of the earth is 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. The radius of the earth is 6.4 into 10 to the power 6, and it will be, and the gravitational constant value is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Then we should put these values in the small g, then we can calculate small g like this, right? So I have put all the values in small g. Capital G value 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11, capital M 6 into 10 to the power 24, and R, that is radius of the earth, that is 6.4 into 10 to the power 6. उसका स्क्वायर है R स्क्वायर, तो स्क्वायर किया. आप इसको पूरा सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, कमेंट बॉक्स में मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं, मैं कैलकुलेशन की वीडियो डाल दूँगी. एंड आफ्टर कैलकुलेशन ऑल द थिंग्स वी हैव the value small g, that is acceleration due to gravity, is 9.8 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. देखिए ये भी एक एक्सीलरेशन है, दैट्स वाई इसकी यूनिट भी एक्सीलरेशन वाली होगी, मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. दिस इज़ द कांस्टेंट वैल्यू which we have to use in all the numericals, right? Thank you so much guys for seeing my video. Now in next video I will discuss all the in-text question and text question numericals. Thank you.